Depth psychology meets depth mythology.
Maybe use the mic for us.
Do you like that?
Yeah, thank you. Because it's been.
There's a lot of background noise.
Yeah.
There
Right.
is, I guess,
It's going
and
to be a
they're
little
out there.
tricky,
Yeah, so,
but I think we'll manage. Get a little bit closer to work that.
this makes it a little bit different. This one's called Seeing the End of Things. Can you hear me okay with this? Is that
Better.
I'm at the beginning of seeing the end of the way life goes. To be sure, it is a beginning, which means I have much to learn in how it is that I see anything and everything, what lessons in my lessons reaches for others. As my years increase, I enter into a new curriculum. It is the study of negative numbers, as the living landscape of my days, living through to zero, is not a one-stop phenomenon. The paradox being that multiple minuses, or losses, stack up the positive, pro-offering a dispositive equation of living, for as long as my time here continues.
Resonance. Can you hear this? Because I don't even notice a difference up here. Okay.
You could put it a little
Resonance.
closer to your mouth.
Where does the sound of a bell go? People, places, and things of the past ring silently true in the present. They glow like the ghosts of an afterlife and float wherever they will. They're as real as the ground I walk on, with nothing to hold on to as it spins. They echo and ripple and shift out of place. In the background of mounting days, I follow the landmarks of their memories and dream the dreams I have loved. Some reappear by my longing for them, as shadows teased from dark room negatives. Pulled from the ether, they live in glints and glimpses. They linger beyond the bounds of matter. Embodied as remnants, they resonate in poems, held by the auras of everlasting bonds.